Okay, this is the physical pendulum demo. What this shows is basically what a pendulum is. You can show the students how the period of the pendulum depends on the length of the pendulum. You can show this by removing the stopper and moving the bar up to a different notch, putting back on the stopper, and bring it back and just release it. Then you can show them a different circle. You can see that the period takes much longer with the longer length. One side is a bit heavier than the other. So if you were to move this to the middle one, you would expect basically for it to just go in a bit of a circle. But because I believe this side is a little heavier, it acts as just a very long period pendulum.